Hand lettering hacks for beginners, Part 2. In Part 1, we shared our favorite tips to decorate bold and blocky lettering. In this video, we'll share 3 techniques that you can do to change the shape of your letters. Doubling downstrokes. If you watched our faux calligraphy tutorial, you already know how to do this whimsical style of lettering. With a pen of your choice, we're using the Pentel Energel RTX here, write out the worded cursive. Then make parallel lines next to each downstroke. A downstroke happens every time you pull your pen tip down when writing a letter. This can be on either side of the letter, depending on where you have more space. Finally, close the ends of any downstrokes left open. Of course, you can fill the downstroke in like we did in our other video, but we also like how it looks left like this. We use a white gel pen to clean up stray lines inside the letters. Be sure your piece is completely dry before going in with the white pen, or the colors will bleed together. Serifs. Add serifs to give your letters a typewriter look. A serif is a small line attached to the end of a stroke. For example, in the letter A, we add a small line to each of the legs, as seen here. You can use any pen for this. We decided to use the Stabilo Pen 68 because this effect looks great with a thicker marker. If you're not sure where to place a serif, reference a serif font. With time and practice, it'll come more naturally to you. You can also make serifs with a flick of your brush pen, like in this example. Flourishes. Flourishes elevate simple cursive to sophisticated works of art. We recommend a nib or a fine brush pen, like the Zebra disposable brush pen in fine, for a little bit of line variation. There are a variety of ways to create a flourish. You can start with a curlicue like this, or a loop, or just keep adding loops. Opposing loops create a more balanced feel. You can also alternate between these options. There are several places you can add flourishes. You can extend tall and hanging letters, connect letters that flow together, extend cross strokes, or extend the last letter. It's easy to go overboard with flourishes, so we recommend keeping it simple when you're just starting out. As you get more practice with flourishes, you'll be able to play with spacing and varying line widths to get a balanced look. What are your favorite hand lettering hacks? Let us know if you'd like to see more in-depth videos on any of the techniques here or from Part 1 in the comments below. Be sure to check out all of the supplies we used at JetPens.com.